Are you ready to learn everyday English? Lesson 31. Let's go.
먹는 것은
To eat. To eat.
나는 먹을 거예요.
I'm going to eat. I'm going to eat.
나는 또 햄버거를 먹을 거예요.
I'm going to eat a hamburger again. I'm going to eat a hamburger again.
도착하는 것은
To arrive. To arrive.
나는 내일 아침 도착할 거예요.
I'm going to arrive tomorrow morning. I'm going to arrive tomorrow morning.
나는 내일 늦게 도착할 거예요.
I'm going to arrive late tomorrow. I'm going to arrive late tomorrow.
그들과 함께
With them. With them.
나는 그들과 함께 내일 도착할 거예요.
I'm going to arrive with them tomorrow. I'm going to arrive with them tomorrow.
저녁 먹는 것은
To have dinner. To have dinner.
나는 저녁 먹을 거예요.
I'm going to have dinner. I'm going to have dinner.
나는 그들과 함께 오늘 밤 저녁 먹을 거예요.
I'm going to have dinner with them tonight. I'm going to have dinner with them tonight.
나는 안 할 거예요.
I'm not going to. I'm not going to.
이것을 하는 것은
To do it. To do it.
나는 이것을 안 할 거예요.
I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it.
여기 있는 것은
To be here. To be here.
나는 내일 여기 없을 거예요.
I'm not going to be here tomorrow. I'm not going to be here tomorrow.
나가는 것은
To go out. To go out.
나는 오늘 밤 안 나갈 거예요.
I'm not going to go out tonight. I'm not going to go out tonight.
나는 오늘 밤 그들과 함께 안 나갈 거예요.
I'm not going to go out with them tonight. I'm not going to go out with them tonight.
일하는 것은
To work. To work.
나는 내일 일하지 않을 거예요.
I'm not going to work tomorrow. I'm not going to work tomorrow.
기다리는 것은
To wait. To wait.
나는 여기서 기다리지 않을 거예요.
I'm not going to wait here. I'm not going to wait here.
나는 여기서 하루 종일 기다리지 않을 거예요.
I'm not going to wait here all day. I'm not going to wait here all day.
Thank you for watching. See you next time. 안녕.